Hello friends, my name is Rakesh Hansrajani and we are the founders of Mentorness. We are a proof of work-based hiring platform which is trying to bridge the gap between candidates facing issue finding jobs and companies getting thousands of applicants for single job post. Now let's talk about various programs on our platform. Firstly, we have Mentorness Knowledge Program where we will be sharing blogs and video tutorials on our website that are available for free for each and every candidate to learn new skill sets. Then we have Mentorness Internship Program where we will be hosting our internships as well as paid internships and government internships where freshers or candidates can apply for internships. Then we have Mentorness Assessment Program where you will be attempting quiz and that will certify you for a particular topic which you can post on LinkedIn or various other platforms to showcase your expertise in that domain. Then we have Mentorness Challenge Program which will be like a hackathon where you will be competing with thousands of candidates to top on the chart. Then we have Mentorness Placement Program where you will be applying for the jobs listed by various companies for a specific role you are looking for. Before we go ahead, we would like to share truth about current market situation. Everyone is looking to switch their career to data science as it is the career of future. But the competition is very high. If you have seen single job post on LinkedIn or Naukri, there are thousands of applicants. So getting job is a secondary thing. Firstly, you have to get to interview seat. So, how do you stand out in this competition? Internships will help you apply technical knowledge in real world projects. We have designed internships in such a way that you can showcase your knowledge, technical skills, and communication skills in effective way. This will boost your confidence and you can showcase your work digitally to get highlighted in front of recruiters. Also, we have identified that less than 10% of the candidates are serious enough to complete all the tasks we have shared in internship. This means if you complete all the tasks, you are already ahead of 90% of the candidates.
So now let's talk about internship roadmap. So internship is divided in four parts. First one is faceless reels. Second and third are two projects related to your internship, and final task is quiz. So let's talk about them in details. Let's talk about first task, which is reel. You have to prepare an interactive faceless reel on allotted topic to you. You can do research online or you can use any other sources and prepare an effective script for your reel, which should include pointers, facts, or any other informative information about that particular topic. Using that information, you have to prepare a 30 seconds to 1 minute duration reel, and you can use any free tools like Canva or any other video editing tools for preparing your reel. Now let's talk about your project 1 and project 2. So we will be sharing a problem statement and data set with you. So go thoroughly through the problem statement and use the data set to complete your project. After completing your project, you also have to prepare two things. First one is PPT presentation and second one is video presentation. Now what you will include in video and PPT presentation? In PPT presentation, you can showcase how was your approach toward the data set, what is the problem statement of that project, what are your inferences you have drawn, what is final outcome, and what are the future scope of that particular project. All these things you can mention in stepwise form to make it more effective and more informative PPT presentation. Once you prepare your PPT presentation, you can prepare one video presentation explaining your project in the form of story. So consider that you are explaining this project to your manager or your stakeholders. Considering that in your mind, explain your project in more effective and informative way so that anyone is not from technical background, they should also get idea about your project. Now final task is quiz. We will be having another meeting on our 30th day of our internship where we will be conducting this quiz task. This quiz will have 20 questions which will be multiple type questions and you will get 20 minutes to complete this quiz. Now let's talk about the time duration of each task. So for reels you will get 7 days. For project 1 you will get 10 days and for project 2 another 10 days. On day 30th we will be having a final day meeting where we will be conduct the quiz. Now let's talk about what you have to prepare for submissions. For first task, which is reel, you have to submit a video format reel. For project 1 and project 2, you have to prepare three things. First one is your source code file. So like if you are working on SQL project, it will be .sql file. If you are working on machine learning project, then it will be your Python source code file. If you are working on Power BI or Tableau project, then it will be your dashboard. Along with this, you also have to submit the PPT presentation and video presentation. So now you might be thinking that why we have kept the PPT and video presentation task. So as we discussed earlier, having only technical knowledge is not the enough thing. You should also have good communication skill and presentation skill. So with video presentation and PPT presentation, you can showcase your presentation skills along with your storytelling power, like how you are conveying your project to someone else. So that's why we have kept this task in our internship. For submission, we will be sharing 3 links with you. First one is for real submission, second one is for project submission, and third one is for project 2 submission. Submission will not be accepted via email or any other sources, so we request you to kindly submit your tasks via submission forms only. For reference, you can check out our Mentorness community YouTube channel where we have uploaded shortlisted content of our previous interns. While working on your project, if you stuck anywhere, so we have shortlisted few reference content from industry expert. We'll be sharing links with you. You can go ahead and check out their content, learn new things and apply it in your project. If you still have any doubt or questions, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp or email and we'll be happy to help you. We also recommend you to showcase your works on platforms like LinkedIn and GitHub by tagging Mentorness. So this is the best way to showcase your works to potential employers and in your connection. By tagging Mentorness, you will get more visibility to your content.
Hope everything is clear till now. Now let's go ahead with frequently asked questions by most of the candidates. So the duration of this internship is 1 month. It is completely remote, flexible, but target oriented as the dates we have discussed. There is no stipend given in this internship because our goal is to help you get placed for your desired job. We don't sell any kind of training courses. Rather, we recommend you to watch lot of free quality content available on YouTube. Even we have shared some reference content in internship details file. There is no bond or fees charged from any candidate. We are not currently hiring for our company, but we are acting as a collaborator between companies and candidates. So if you fit according to the company's requirements, their conditions, their preferences, then we'll help you get to the interview seat of that company. For video presentation, you can use any free tool. You can use ScreenPal or a free tool. For certificate, you will receive the certificate within 48 hours, but you need to complete all the 4 tasks. It is mandatory. For job, we are acting as a proof of work for you guys. So if you guys have applied for jobs on Naukri or LinkedIn or any other portal, you will realize that there are thousands of applicants for single job post. But by our experience, we have noticed that only 10% of the candidates are able to complete the all the tasks that we have given you. So if you are able to complete all the tasks, you are already ahead of 90% of the candidates. In any case, we won't be giving extension after the internship final date. So please make sure if there is any kind of emergency or exams, you complete the task within the final day. If you are not able to complete within the final day or final day meeting, you can join the next batch, and it will have completely different tasks. For letter of recommendation, you need to complete all the 3 internships with us. That is DA, ML, and AI. For real topic, you guys would have received an email from our end which includes the topic assigned to you. We do not create or recommend to create any WhatsApp group because it is individual task, and we have seen that in our past experience that once we have created WhatsApp group, people are scamming or creating nuisance in the group. So it is individual task. So we recommend you to perform the task individually. For examples of reels and video presentations, we recommend you to check our Mentorness community channel. We have uploaded a lot of content there. So on other many topics on reels or good video presentations of the projects. So if you're stuck or have any questions or have any issues or have any questions for our for Mentorness, you can write us at mentorness.service@gmail.com or WhatsApp us at 63515 67156. We don't have any regular classes or meetings, so we'll have just final day meeting where we will be doing the quiz task. For if you are looking to learn about data science, machine learning, AI, data analyst, we have some reference content which is available for free on YouTube. So we recommend you to watch that first. If you can manage your time, you can surely join multiple internships with us at a time. We don't have problem on that end. For reels, the time duration would be between 60 to 90 seconds, and for video presentation, the time duration should be between 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So, yeah, if you are able to complete the task before the shared date, you can surely submit it before the dates, but the final day meeting would be as per the schedule, and the certificate will be shared after the final day meeting only. So if you are looking to apply for other internships, we have shared all the three links in the description below. So do check out. So we have the data analyst, machine learning, and AI engineer internships. So posting on LinkedIn, it's not mandatory from our end, but we recommend you to upload on LinkedIn and GitHub and tag Mentorness so that you get more visibility in data science community and recruiters. For feedback, we can't give feedback to each and every one. Sorry, guys, but we receive thousands of applicants every week, so it's very tough for us to give feedback to each and every candidate. But what we do is, if there is some scope of improvement or need some improvement in the project or video presentation or something, we try to send you one-on-one in email so that you can improve and then submit it again. To submit the task, please check out the internship details file shared in the Google Drive link. It has all the three submission links that you need to submit for the project. For real, please make sure, guys, you do not include AI voice or you download the reel from other sources, online sources, and apply for our internship. If we find this, we you will be disqualified from this internship as well as future job opportunities with us. Thank you.